Are missed calls silently draining money from your business? Studies show that 62% of business calls go unanswered, and here's the shocking part: 85% of those callers never call back. That's not just a missed call, that's a missed customer, and potentially thousands of dollars gone. In this video, I'll show you how AI receptionists are helping service businesses stop losing money, book more jobs, and save thousands, all without hiring more staff. Stick around till the end, because I'll share how you can try one completely free for 15 days. Here's the reality. In today's fast-paced world, customers expect instant responses. If your business doesn't answer, chances are they're dialing your competitor. Hiring a full-time receptionist sounds like the solution, but it comes with high costs, salary, training, benefits, and even then, they can't work nights, weekends, or holidays. That means businesses keep missing calls, keep missing opportunities, and keep losing revenue. That's where AI receptionists come in. Think of them as your smart virtual front desk assistant. They answer every single call, day or night, provide helpful information, and even book appointments directly into your calendar. They cost up to 80% less than hiring a human receptionist, they work 24/7, and they deliver a consistent professional experience every time. Instead of stressing over missed calls or juggling after-hour answering services, business owners are finally getting peace of mind, and their customers are getting the quick, reliable service they expect. Let me show you what this looks like in action. Here's a quick demo of an AI receptionist handling a real call for a dentist clinic.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes.
Hi, I'm Lindsay, your AI receptionist at Demo Dental. How can I assist you?
Hi, I would like to schedule an appointment for a cleaning.
Great. I'd be happy to help you book a cleaning appointment. Just to confirm, is your time zone America, Los Angeles? And do any of these days work for you? Monday, November 10th, Tuesday, November 11th, or Wednesday, November 12th?
Okay, what type of insurance coverage do you take?
We accept most dental insurance plans, but we do not accept Medicaid. Coverage can vary, so it's best to contact us with your specific provider details to confirm if your plan is accepted. Would you like to go ahead and book your cleaning appointment?
Okay, what are the type of exams do you do?
We offer a full range of dental exams, including general checkups, comprehensive oral exams, and specialized assessments if needed. Is there a specific type of exam you're interested in, or would you like to book a standard cleaning and checkup?
Cleaning and checkup. I want to know the price.
I'm glad you asked. For a cleaning and exam, prices can vary depending on your specific needs and insurance coverage. We offer affordable pricing options, flexible payment plans, and financing if you don't have insurance. For an exact quote, it's best to contact our office directly with your details. Would you like to continue booking your cleaning appointment?
Okay, so what are the procedures for that?
Great question. For a cleaning and exam, here's what you can expect. First, we'll review your medical history and discuss any concerns. Then, we'll do a full assessment of your teeth, gums, and mouth, sometimes including x-rays if needed. The hygienist will remove plaque and tartar, polish your teeth, floss them, and may apply fluoride for extra protection. You'll also get an oral cancer screening. Afterward, the dentist will go over any findings or recommendations with you. It's all pretty gentle and straightforward. Would you like to book that appointment now?
Do you have 10:30 on Wednesday available?
Yes, we do have a 10:30 a.m. slot available on Wednesday, November 12th. Would you like to book your cleaning and exam for that time? If so, I'll just need your email address to send the confirmation.
Okay.
If you'd like an AI receptionist like this for your own business, we can build one tailored specifically for you. And the best part, you can try our AI voice bot free for 15 days. No strings attached, just results. Click the link in the description to schedule your setup. Don't just take my word for it. You can actually test it yourself. Call 620-659-0909 and pretend you're a customer booking a dentist appointment. Ask about the problem, check availability, get an estimate, and confirm the booking. You'll see firsthand how seamless the experience is. So why should every small business consider an AI receptionist? Here's a quick rundown. 24/7 coverage including nights, weekends, and holidays. Costs 80% less than hiring a full-time receptionist. 0 missed calls, means zero missed revenue. Every inquiry gets answered instantly, which means more leads and bookings. Automated scheduling that integrates directly into your calendar. No need for after-hour staff or expensive answering services. Consistent professional service every single time. Whether you're a solo operator or running a growing team, an AI receptionist helps you stay responsive, professional, and efficient without adding more to your workload or payroll. So are you ready to stop missing calls, book more appointments automatically, and save thousands in operating costs? You can try our AI voice bot free for 15 days, customized specifically for your business. No strings attached. Just click the link in the description to get started today. Remember, it costs 80% less than hiring a full-time receptionist, it works 24/7, and it never takes a day off. Act fast, because this free trial won't be around forever.